Driving can be hectic, so having extra vigilance of a dashcam provides reassurance on the road. When selecting a dashcam, consider whether you need front, and interior, or front and rear coverage, along with the desired viewing angle. Some people also look for additional features like voice control or parking assistance tailored to their preferences. Recognizing the diverse needs for dashcams, we've compiled a video showcasing top models with varying features to suit different preferences. Enjoy! Typically, dashcams adhere to a rather mundane and predictable design, lacking any significant advancements. However, the Omni X800 Dashcam Omni breaks this pattern. Resembling something like the Wall-E, this pill-shaped camera boasts innovative features. It cleverly conceals a motorized 1080p 60 fps camera within its design, capable of a full 360-degree rotation. Yet, the appeal of this dashcam extends beyond its striking appearance. It boasts impressive functionality, capturing vibrant and detailed footage and images regardless of lighting conditions. Furthermore, its user-friendly setup process, accompanied by a dedicated app for camera control and integrated GPS functionality, enhances its overall appeal. While it may deviate from the norm in terms of design, the Omni X800's distinctiveness and exceptional capture quality elevate it beyond mere novelty.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
iAudi Ivo View Dashcam offers seamless usability and impressive day and night recording capabilities. This little gadget not only captures crystal clear footage day and night, but also rocks a magnetic mount for easy-peasy installation. Its minimalist design won't clutter up your car either, keeping things neat and tidy. The iVo View can capture footage at up to 1600p, 30 frames per second, ensuring top-notch visuals. Alternatively, you can also go for lower resolution settings like 720p to save space on your SD card. Its compact dimensions make it a perfect fit for any car, measuring just right to blend seamlessly into your vehicle's interior. Plus, you can snag it for around $139 on Amazon, which ain't too shabby. You gotta create an iAudi account to get it up and running. Might be a bit of a buzzkill for some drivers, and in that case, the Garmin-DashCam Mini 2 could be your jam. Other than that, it's super tiny, fitting snug behind your sun visor without a fuss. No GPS though, but if you're not bothered by that, it's a solid pick for keeping an eye on the road without drawing too much attention. Next up, we have the Kingslim-D4 Pro. This sleek device doesn't just capture the action in front of you, it covers both the front and rear with its dual lens setup. With its rotatable front camera lens, you've got a maximum rotation of 270 degrees, allowing you to capture every detail inside your car. Whether you're recording the road ahead or keeping an eye on the cabin, this dashcam has you covered. It offers 2 recording modes, front and rear or inside and rear, ensuring you never miss a moment. The D4 PRO boasts 4K and 2K UHD recording capabilities, thanks to its Sony Starvis sensor and upgraded 2K rear camera. With 2 resolution modes to choose from, you'll enjoy crisp, clear footage every time. With Starvis image sensor, 6-layer glass lenses, and HDR with WDR technology, the D4 PRO ensures super night vision, even in low-light conditions. And with hands-free voice control, you can stay focused on the road ahead while still commanding your dashcam with ease. Meet Garmin's compact front dashcam, your ultimate driving companion. Day or night, it captures the colorful details of your journey with crystal clarity, ensuring you never miss a moment. Its small size makes it easily tuck away behind your mirror, ready to spring into action when needed. And talk about convenience. With its magnetic mounting system, installation is a breeze, letting you focus on the road ahead. But it's not just about the hardware. This cam is all about staying connected. Sync it up with your phone or upload footage to the cloud for easy access anytime, anywhere. Need directions or driving assistance? No problem. Garmin's got you covered with integrated GPS and handy driving aids to keep you on track. Sure, it's not perfect. There's no rear camera option if you want full coverage. With top-notch 1440p video quality and a wide 140-degree field of view, every drive becomes a cinematic experience. Plus, with Garmin's trusted name backing it up, you can hit the road with confidence, knowing you've got a reliable sidekick keeping an eye on things. Say hello to your new road trip buddy, compact, powerful, and ready for anything. Looking for the ultimate driving companion to capture every moment on the road? Look no further than the Nextbase-622 gigawatts front and rear system. Boasting stellar day and night recording capabilities, this dash cam ensures crystal clear footage regardless of the lighting conditions. But its appeal doesn't stop there. With modular add-on 1080p cameras, you can extend coverage to your car's interior and rear, providing comprehensive surveillance for added peace of mind. And with Alexa voice control and automatic emergency notifications, you can stay connected and safe on the go. However, quality comes at a price, and at almost $500 on Amazon, the 622 gigawatt system may be considered expensive by some. Yet, its features justify the cost. With its sleek design, excellent recording capabilities, intuitive 3-inch display, and the ability to add a third camera for interior views, it's no wonder this system was our hands-down favorite. Alright folks, there you have it. The lowdown on the 5 best dash cams you can snatch up in 2024. If you found this information helpful and want to stay updated on the latest tech trends and reviews, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay tuned for more exciting content. And until next time, drive safe and keep exploring.